Hello fellow raccoons. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you how to write our first web page or our first web program. In order for us to do this, let us create a folder on our desktop so that we can store all our working files there. So I'm going to head over to my desktop and create a folder and name it Raccoon HTML. Now, I'm going to double click into the folder and create a new file with this test document, but then I'm going to clean everything and name it hello.html. Now, in order for HTML files to open appropriately in our browser, we need a .html extension. Now let's click, and then it will ask you whether you want to change the name. Click yes. Let's quickly close this. Now let's go and click on the folder, right click, and look for our code editor so that we can open this project in our code editor. For this course, I recommended using VS Code, but depending on what code editor that you have stored on your desktop, kindly open the project with it. Let's click on the file so that we write our first web program. Now I'm going to write something so that it will pop up in the browser. Hello, dear raccoons. I'm very sure you will enjoy this HTML5 masterclass. Now once we are done, let us save by using the save shortcut Ctrl X, or you can head over to File and then hit Save. Now let's head over to our desktop and locate our folder and double click on this file that we have created. Voila! Now we have our first web page. It is as simple as ABC. In the next lecture, I'm going to teach you how you are going to properly structure your page for us to begin writing code.